excited. I'm excited. What day is it today? Today is Monday. That's right. And what day was it? Yesterday. Yesterday was Sunday. Happy Valentine's Day. I hope you had so much fun. And what day will it be tomorrow? Tomorrow is Tuesday. That's right, Tuesday. And what month are we in? We're in the month of February. That's right. In the month of February, we celebrate Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day. Thank you for those special gifts you sent me. So sweet. I love you guys. Now, let's read the date together. Are you ready? Today is Monday, February 15th, 2021. Very good. Okay, now I have a little question. How many letters are in the alphabet? 26. That's right. And how many groups are they divided into? 2. What are they? The consonants and the vowels. And when we put a consonant and vowel together, it makes a blend. That's right. And how many vowels are in the alphabet? 5. That's right. What are they? A-E-I-O-U. Vowel disco. A-E-I-O-U. Vowel disco. Super. And how many sounds do they have? At least 2. What are they? The short sound and the long sound. When it's a short sound, we mark it with a happy face. That's right. And when it's the long sound, we mark it with a line. Okay, let's see our short sound vowels. Here we go. Look, there's the happy face. Can you read them for me? Super. A, apple. E, elephant. What does the elephant say? Good. I, inchworm. A, ostrich. A, umbrella. Super. Now, did you know that these are different from the short sound? The vowels have different sounds. And when we draw a line over it, it tells us that it's the long sound. You know it because it's the same as its name. What's the name of this letter? A. And that's the long sound as well. Okay, let's read them. Can you read them with me? A, acorn. E, eagle. I, ice cream. O, open. U, uniform. Super duper. You are amazing. Now, let's say our consonant sounds and their words. Are you ready? T, table. L, lamp. B, bell. Ding, 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 ding. Nest. Milk. H, horse. S, sun. Sun, sun. Mr. Golden Sun, please shine down on me. K, cat. D, dog. G, goat. R, ring. F, fox. J, jar. K, kite. V, violin. W, wagon. Y, yarn. P, pig. Z, zebra. Qu, queen. X, fox, box, axe. Super duper duper. Now when we put a consonant and vowel together, it makes a blend. Let's review some of our blends. Hi, Berry Bear. Here we go. Sing them with me. Ba, ba, bi, ba, ba. Ba, ba, bi, ba, ba. Kathy, cat. Ka, ke, ki, ka, ka. Ka, ka, ki, ke, ka. Daddy, dog. Da, da, di, da, da. Da, da, di, da, da. Freddy Fox. Fa, fa, fi, fa, fa. Fa, fa, fi, fa, fa. Gary Goat. Ga, ga, gi, ga, ga. Ga, ga, gi, ga, ga. Super-dee-duper-dee-doo. Okay. Now, close your eyes, close your eyes, close your eyes. Open your eyes. We're going to practice our one vowel words. Are you ready? Say them with me. Had, jam, man, nap, sat, sack, ran, ham, can, cat, Pam, wag, wax, band, at, van, can, fan. Super duper duper, you guys are just amazing. Now, remember that there are some words that don't go with the one vowel or two vowel rules, and you have to memorize them. Okay, are you ready? They're called sight words. Say them with me. Of, a, the, to, do, super. And then there's special sounds. Okay, here we go. Say them with me. K, duck, e, me, o, go, I, fly, a, pray, st, stop, plane, frog, train, ship. Two sounds, and the. Thick, and this. Super. Blah. Block, clock, flake, glue. Very good. Okay, now I want us to look up here on the board, and I have some words, and we're going to decide if they have one vowel or two vowels in the word, okay? Remember, if there's only one vowel, we mark it with a happy face. And if there's two vowels, the first one is long, and the next one is silent. Okay, are you ready? Here we go. How many vowels are in this word? One, that's right. So let's mark it with a happy face. Can you read it? Hop. That's right. Very good. Okay, look here. Can you see it? Yeah, you can. Okay, here we go. How many vowels are in this word? Two. That's right. So the first one is long, and the next one is silent. We don't pronounce that one. Okay, so this says hope. Hope. Super. Next word, how many vowels? One. There's only one vowel, so we're going to mark it with a happy face. So it says the short sound. Can. Can. Super good. How many vowels are in this word right here? 2. So what's the rule? If there's 2 vowels, the first one is long. We mark it with a line. And the next one is shh, silent. We cross it out. So this says cane. Cane. Super. Next word. How many vowels in this word? 1. That's right. So if there's only 1 vowel in the word, then it is the short sound. And we mark it with a happy face. So this word says rip. Rip. Super. Look at this word right here. How many vowels? 2. What's the rule? If there's 2 vowels in a word, the first one is long. So we mark it with a line. And the second one is silent. So we cross it out. So this word here says ripe. Because this is ice cream. Ripe. Okay, here's another word. How many vowels in this word? 1. That's right. So the first one only has 1 vowel, so we mark it with a happy face. It says the short sound. So this is umbrella. So this word says cut. Super. Last word. How many vowels in this word? 2. That's right. So the first one is long. And then next one is silent. So this word says cute. Oh, so cute. Yes, very good. Okay, now let's read from our reader. I learned to read book B. Look at, there's a little Dalmatian. And let's open it up. Look, there's a boy and a dog playing frisbee. Can you read the words for me? Sam can run. Ooh, yes, he can. There he goes. Look, he caught the frisbee. What does it say? Sam can jump. Look, jump. Get it, Sam. There's the frisbee. Oh, look. There's some girls. And look, they have a duck. Just like Gabriel has a duck. Okay, let's read these words. Here we go. Let's see what it says. Pam and Liz sat on the log. Here they are. Uh-oh, what happened? Liz fell. Liz is wet. Oh my goodness gracious. Look, who's going to help her? Pam will help. And that's the end of our story for today. Now let's look up here on the whiteboard. It says letters and sounds, pages 113 and 114. So let's get our letters and sounds book out. Look, 113. So let's write our name up here at the top. And it says 1, mark the vowels and read the words. You can do that like we just did up on the board. You guys are amazing. And number 2 says write the vowel you hear in each word. Okay, it could be the short sound or it could be the long sound. Let's see. Bike, bike, ice cream. Leaf, leaf, eagle. Bus, bus, umbrella. Cake, cake, acorn. Fox, fox, ostrich. Boat, boat. Open. Wow, you guys did great. Now let's go to page 114. And it says, fill in the circle under the word that completes each sentence. Should we do the first one together? Let's read it. The dog has what does the dog have? He has a tail. So you're going to fill in the circle right there. Okay, you guys can do the rest. You are amazing, and I'm so very proud of you. Keep up the good work, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. I love ya.